Sanibonani bafowethu, lumkile lona bafowethu. I'm here bafowethu to talk everything football. But-ke namhlanje yini esikhuluma ngayo bafowethu? Sikhuluma ngegame ye-Richards Bay versus iPolokwane City. First game bafowethu, Premier League. Game edlalayo bafowethu Sunday nge-2 August bafowethu. La game bafowethu izobe imnandi kakhulu. Izobe imnandi kakhulu njengoba siyazi ukuthi nayo bafowethu iPolokwane City bayiteam engazibekile phansi bafowethu, bayiteam nje engazibekile phansi, they want to compete. But-ke bafowethu bazalelwe nje endlini ngoba phela le stadium abavakasha kusona lapha eMhlathuze akubuyi muntu laphana. I-Richards Bay laphana siyibonile bafethu iholder even the big 3 ase-South Africa la yafika yadlala i-draw khona ne-Orlando Pirates, yadlala i-draw ne-Sundowns, yawina against Kaizer Chiefs. So-ke laphana bafethu akusisi stadium ekulula ngempela ukuthi uma we-team evakashile ukwazi ukuthi udlale khona. Siyabonga-ke nakubona bafethu uhulumeni wakhona la KwaZulu Natal owabona ukuthi le ndaba ye-Richards Bay ukuthi ilokhu idlalela ngaphandle kwalena ngase-Bay bafethu wrong, bagcina bese-extend i-stadium sakwazi ukuthi at least sibe fit enough ukuthi si-hoste amaqembu afethu aku-PSL. So it was a good deal because nabo abadlali I feel like they got i-motivation even more uma sekudlalelwa le ngakubo bafowethu, because siyazi ukuthi iyagqilaza i-Richards Bay ngalena nje and nentelezi adliwa-ke lena bafowethu. iPolokwane City-ke bafowethu they are a very decent team nabo, ngeke bafowethu size sibadlele umona. Bayi-team nje e-decent kakhulu and sizobabona even nakuyona i-top 8 because bona bazobe bedlala bafowethu neMamelodi Sundowns since nabo abantu abangena kwi-top 8. I-Richards Bay-ke ayingenanga bafowethu kwi-top 8 but futhi-ke yayingaviki izembe because bikude kakhulu nezembe. iPolokwane bafowethu iyi-team nje e-decent kakhulu iPolokwane. Siyazi-ke bafowethu laphana ukuthi nanocoach wayo iPolokwane City sambona e-Exeter laphana but still basayi-team bafowethu esathembisa kakhulu ukuthi they want to compete. Wena ubona ukuzoba kanjani kule game? I-Richards Bay-ke bafowethu mayisekhaya i-strong kakhulu but-ke amagame okuqala-ke lewo for isizini and amnandi kakhulu bafowethu. Wena nje commenta bafowethu ukuthi ubani umbone wina le game wena going forward. Nje bafowethu si-engageni like, subscribe, ushare umsebenzi lumkile zinyanga makube njalo bafowethu.